Sat him the fuck down. Sounds like they found you. Good attack, Farrah. Farrah, get out of there!
Looking for tracker!
Good kill, Kilo. Trackers won't be hidden. Should be easy to spot.
Graves, sending you the info from the manifest.
Got it. Cross-referencing with our container numbers. Okay. Time to plant those trackers on the missiles. Check the cranes. They may be loading another one of those containers now.
Copy. I'll check high and low and find both.